Hey Gemini, welcome to this channel. So today we are going to see what's going to happen with you for the next, let's take 3 to 5 days. All that you need to know about your connection. This is going to be your channel soulmate for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. All that you need to know about your person, situation, their feelings, intention, and love messages. Okay, so let's start. So what's the overall energy going to be like for the sign of Gemini? So right now with the Knight of Cups, for many of you, I believe you are like already in love with someone. With the Star card, you do have someone in mind that you're looking forward to. You're trying to be more optimistic, more like I would say trying to attract it or manifest it. You're trying to be very positive like about the outcome. Okay. With top card with King of Wands, I believe some of you guys could be dealing with either a fire sign, Aries, strong Sagittarius, could be even Leo. If it's not that, for some of you, it's a water sign. Okay, I'm getting strong Pisces energy here. Okay, so let's start. In terms of what's coming towards you, okay, we have a card with Four of Wands. So for many of you, I don't think you guys are going to be single if you guys are for long. I see you in relationship. If you're already in a relationship, I see things moving forward in terms of commitment. Okay, in terms of what to expect overall. With Justice card, I believe things are going to get balanced. Someone who's been hiding shit from you, or if they were not very much comfortable in wanting to share their feelings as to how they felt and what they wanted, I believe they're going to do that. Okay, they're going to want to open up to you. They're going to want to speak the truth with you, and they're wanting to balance the connection more than ever. Okay, with top card, with Temperance card, this person is very much looking forward to get things balanced with you, to possibly be on the same page as you, to possibly build on this connection. Okay, so yes, in terms of that, one card for your overall relationship energy. Ten of Pentacles. This is the best reading I've done so far. With Ten of Pentacles, you guys are moving towards stability. You guys are moving towards commitment. You guys are moving towards something solid. If your relationship is something that is brand new, then I see a very good future for this connection. Okay, for some of you, this person will bring in a lot of financial luck in your life. Okay, one more card in terms of your soulmate. What's the energy like? We have King of Swords here, which speaks about this person is someone who doesn't really express much. They are very detached, or they come off very detached, or they pretend to be detached. Okay, so take however it resonates. For some of you, this person is someone who's right now not very much in communication, but is wanting to talk. Okay, in terms of how they want to come forward towards you, how are they possibly wanting to come forward towards you? Page of Cups. This person is definitely going to message you pretty soon if they haven't. With King of Pentacles, they are very stable individuals, someone who's very well to do financially, someone who is very much stable. I mean, they are not someone who plays mind games and does shitty things with you. They could be detached, but I don't see any wrong behavior. Top card we have is the Hermit. So selected few of you, this person might also be a Virgo. Strong air energy as well. If they're not Virgo, I see a lot of practicality in this person, like very much straightforward. That doesn't really try to mess with your ego or your won't really say something or do something that would trigger you. Okay, in terms of that, how are they feeling towards you? Sun card, you make them happy. I do not know if they accept that or not, but you make them happy. You are their sunshine. Top card we have is Eight of Swords in the reverse. Say suppose your person was stuck in a third party situation. Say suppose, if not a third party, romantically, maybe in a situation like a work or a family, they are wanting to free themselves so that they can come forward towards you. Okay, in terms of their heart space, how do they feel for Gemini? With Two of Wands, they definitely wanted to come forward. They could have had another option or another path, but they are choosing you. Okay, with Ten of Cups, they want something long term with you. Okay, one more card. in terms of their overall intentions towards Gemini, please. This person is definitely planning something. Okay, this person is okay with Ace of Wands. They want this bad. I see a lot of sexual energy here. This person finds you very attractive. So expect some beautiful, passionate nights together. Okay, one more card in terms of what action I want to take towards you. Three of Wands. So this person, if they are living at a distance, this person definitely wants to travel in order to see you. Okay, for where this is going for now, what can my dear Geminis expect? Six of Pentacles. So this person will definitely give in. Okay, so one card for the past. In the past as well, this person is someone who's very, I would say, practical, and they are very much someone who follows the rules and regulations of the society. They are not going to do something that is against the considered against the society. Okay, for some of you, this person could be in was a part of a marriage which they are finding a way out from. If it's not a marriage, it could be a situation where they could not choose you for whatever restrictions they had. Okay, with top card here, Eight of Swords, I see them majorly trying to choose you if they had an option. Selected few of you, this might be a person you were already married to and they want to come back. Okay, in terms of that, where are things going for now? Lovers card, you guys are definitely going to meet in person, not just contact through communication. Meeting in person and having some good sexual time. Okay, so yes, Ace of Pentacles, a very good card. Expect a lot of good positive changes in terms of your finances. With Ace of Pentacles, I see a lot of good financial growth in your life. This phase, for the next couple of weeks, I see you feeling very lucky financially. Like things are just going to click for you. Like everything is just going to happen. New opportunities, like like possibly money making. I also selected few of you. Your work, whatever you're doing, is going to be recognized to a point that you are going to get either a pay raise or possible. You could possibly be promoted pretty soon. Okay, within next year, definitely promoted for many of you, all those who are working hard. Now for those who are sitting at home and doing nothing, that's a different story. I believe if you are sitting at home, then you might get a new job pretty soon. Okay, if you're wanting or waiting for one card for Geminis who are single. Empress card. So right now you guys are focused on yourself. I don't see you wanting someone or needing someone or wanting to be feeling belonged. Okay, you guys are doing good on your own. You guys are earning good. You guys are possibly focused on your life. You guys are doing everything right so that it helps you in the future. So I don't see anything wrong happening with you right now. Selected few of you guys could be having some work burdens that is like being a little exhausted from overworking. Okay, one more card. With Four of Pentacles, I believe right now many of you guys are not ready for a new relationship. You guys are rather going to hold on to yourself. I mean, you guys are happy by yourself if you guys are single. Okay, one more card overall for Geminis. What can you guys expect for the next 1 week? Overall, with Five of Cups, some of you, I believe, could suddenly start missing your person in the coming days. Not so soon, but in the coming days, you could start missing them. With Page of Wands, I believe you will be in communication terms, and that is going to help you possibly get back that that feeling that everything is working good for you. Okay, so one last card of advice for Geminis. Okay, with Two of Swords, darling, I know you guys are indecisive, but don't let that get to your head. Don't try to possibly distract yourself from a situation. Learn to face situations. Once you face them, you won't fear them anymore. Okay, top card we have is Ten of Swords. Say suppose there is a toxic situation in your life which has been holding you and killing you and possibly blocking you from moving forward, then you need to stop that. You need to end it. Okay, so let's take love messages. Love messages for Gemini, all that Gemini needs to know about. You are not my types, but my heart loves you. So for selected few of you, this person earlier could have not found you very attractive or not their types, and now their heart just feels lost without you. So for many of you, this person is wanting to make that, you know, jump forward towards you. Okay, top card we have here is I'm scared to lose you. I'm jealous if you're talking to someone else. Okay, last card we have for you is, okay, we have a, I have a hidden connection. I do not know how you would react. So for some of you, this person could have hidden a third part situation from you, okay, and they were not ready to open up about it. However, they want to end it if they ever had one, okay. Last card in the reverse we have is my heart is closed off. Sorry for being hard to love. In the past, I believe this person never really let you possibly get comfortable with them. Every time things move towards something, that could last, this person messed up, sabotaged the connection, said things to trigger you, and pushed you away. Okay, but I'm getting a message that for some of you, this person has hidden a connection. If it's not a connection, it could be a thing that could get in the way of your relationship. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for you, Geminis, for the next 72 hours. However, this might resonate like moving forward in the week, so take it however it goes for you. Please do like the video, possibly comment if you liked how whatever I've read today, and all those who are new to the channel, please subscribe. All those who are wanting a personal reading with me, the way I read it, please reach out to my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.